Hi everyone, I received some packages a couple of days ago and I still been receiving a lot of stuff, but I haven't put a lot of stuff on. I guess I didn't show everything. I'll see if I put it in this video. If not, I'll just put it in a different video. But this is gonna be things for I could do my crafting, resin, epoxy, stuff like that. Let me show you what I got. Um, Let me just show you. Wait a second. It looks so fucking dirty. Okay, I don't know what happened. The video turned off on me. Either I pressed the button or I was just talking and talking and talking. Now that was really stupid. Okay. I was making sure nothing breaks. Look at this, so pretty. This is gonna be in my ocean. I don't know in which one, either the table, whatever that I plan to make. But there's a lot of stuff I plan to make. I'm trying to make sure I don't break it. So let me just leave this box like this. Leave it on top of the... I got some liquid leading. This is for glass. Got that. Oh, my daughter gave me this. I think it says $5. Yeah, $5. She got it for me. I don't know where she got it from. Oh, there it is. Five Below. She got that for me. Acrylic painters. These are pens. I got them for my project that I plan to be making. For my trays and everything. My coasters and my trays. Here are some... This one's for glass. Has a little tray. A defect tray. But it's whatever. My daughter got this for me. I didn't get it. She got it for me. She also sent this out for me. I had ordered one before and it came out messed up. They forgot to put a mold inside, so they told I didn't even have to send it back. So that's a good thing. They told me I could do whatever I want if I want to keep it or donate, which I donated it to the church. I donated a few things to the church. They came here. They came kind of messed up, stuff like that. Let me see if I could get it out, okay? Damn. Okay. Whatever fell. Here's a really big crystal mold. Here's a different size. There's 3 sizes, I believe. My daughter got it for me. I believe they're on Instagram. So my daughter got that for me. Some crystal molds. Okay, what else? Oh, I bought this for the bathroom. I don't know how I'm going to open this, but I can show you all the different kinds. I'm going to try the best that I can, and if I can't do it, then I'm going to have to do a different video and just show it, or just take pictures and post it on my Instagram. Because this is just for the, how you say? I'm going to use, it's for my bathroom. You know, they got different things in here. They got a seahorse, a turtle. Oh, come on. I need another hand. Look at the seahorse. Oh, I love that. Oh, they even got a octopus. I think it's in the other side. Let's see, they got stuff in the other side. Oh, I'm trying. See? There's the octopus. I'm using that octopus. Let me tell you, I want to put this on a tray or for the table, but I have to. I like it, but I probably color it in with some other colors. But yeah, that came. I have some more stuff here. I went and got this blood pressure support. Comes with 90 of them. Capsule size. 1 capsule a day, I believe. So I'm gonna be taking this. I don't like medicines. I like taking natural things, or vitamins, all that stuff. The doctor's giving me high blood pressure pill. First it was 5 milligrams, then it went up to what? Was it 10 or 15? I don't remember. Then it went up to 20. So I'm like, you know what? Too much stuff is giving me stress, and it got to do with either with the kids, whatever, you know, you go through life, whatever. Look, I got this. Oh, and look at how beautiful they're for my. I'll probably just color them in and put them for my trays or whatever. Seahorse. Look at them. I think they're so freaking pretty. They're really pretty. There's a whole bunch of them there. The same thing. Seahorses and the starfishes. How many do they bring? I don't know. I really don't know how many they bring. But there's a lot of them in there. And it's a pretty nice sized box. Okay, how many does it bring? I don't know. but it's a pretty nice size. Okay. What else? Oh yeah, here's another one. Uh, Here's a mold. They're knives. Here's the weed plant one. This one look like the crystal one. I'm not gonna start taking everything out, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. I had to get this one because of this, the weed plant, because since I'm making the tray for my daughter, you know, I decided, you know what, let me just get it. I've been looking at this since I seen it for probably like a month or more, probably longer than a month. I can't remember, but I left it in my cart and I don't bother buying it. But then since she asked for the tray, I said I better get this really fast, and it came. It did. It came. It came a couple days ago. Just this one, cause that's all I had gotten. Oh, and I got this. They on Instagram, YouTube. Let's Resin. Butterflies and moth collection. It's so pretty. Oh, I'm in love with it. So I went and got this, so I could use them in my trays. You know what? Let me pause this video, and hopefully I don't forget this time, because I was just talking and talking and talking, and I was never recording anything. Okay, it's recording. So these are the butterfly and moth. Those are the ones that are in here. Okay. And I'm not going to take them out. Just gonna leave them like that because I don't want to bend them or anything. Even though one looks already bent anyway. Yep, I think it's broken. No, a couple of them looks like they're broken. Oh, how rude. A couple of them are broken. And here are these. So pretty. But yeah, so that's what I had gotten. Right now I'm upset because this one is broken. So hopefully when I put them in resin and stuff, you can't see it, because then it's gonna be upsetting to me. That one's broken. That one's broken leg. Let's see if I can fix it. But yeah, that is what I had gotten. I love the way this picture looks. Especially this one. This beautiful mom. But yeah, this is all the stuff that I had gotten. Just wanted to show you and share. So anyway, I'll let you go now. I'm waiting for my grandkids to get here again. My little ones. They went out to, I didn't go. They went to Six Flags. Because, you know, since today is July the 19th, it's my granddaughter's birthday. Sky, my little girl, my little one. And I told, damn, look at my ugly ass nails. Oops, I just cursed. Damn. Anyway, yeah, I haven't been doing my nails or anything lately. I just been doing other things. But yeah, today is her birthday. She'll probably see this video, I don't know. But yeah, because I'm gonna have to show it to her. So I just want to say happy birthday, my love. I love you so much. She turns 9 years old today. How they grow so fast. And we just getting older and older. Oh, I hate it. I don't even want to get old because I want to be in her life forever. So I just want to say bye, everyone, and please stay safe out there. One of my friends who does nails in her shop, and I said it. I said you shouldn't open your shop. Forget it. But she's like, no, I'm losing money. Blah blah blah. So I don't care. You know. And guess what happened? She caught COVID. She had to close down the shop and everything. And of course, she had to contact whoever she got in contact with, because I surely don't know. I don't even go out nowhere. I do all my shopping on the internet, getting my food and everything. I don't like getting near nobody, nothing. When I go with my kids, we go to the backyard, since my backyard is so freaking big, so we play out there and everything. They have fun. Then we go back inside the house. You know, they play, learn, watch TV, whatever they want to watch on HBO, whatever, anything. And if they want to go back outside, whatever, we just go out or just hang out right here in front of the house. We don't go anywhere, get in contact with anybody. And also, I am not getting that shot they talking about. I'm not getting it at all. But just stay safe out there, everyone. Anyway, bye everyone. Take care. God bless.